All right, so we're gonna start with half butter, half olive oil.
Let that render down for a little bit.
Just gonna add a little more olive oil.
2-3 ounces of that. And so why fry the tomato paste?
That just adds another layer of flavor. So we're gonna mix that together. So now that the tomato paste is browned, and then I did half cherry tomatoes, half red heirloom tomatoes.
Oh, wow.
But this is another case where whatever you have on hand,
it doesn't matter.
Whatever you can find.
Once this kind of renders a little bit, you're going to use an emulsifier, like a little hand blender deal, to get that going. And you're making your own chicken stock right now. And it's in this pot. Oh, wow, look at that.
So it's a whole chicken, ginger, a couple of pieces of pork.
All right, how's this soup doing over here?
So I think we're good. Basically, we're gonna let this simmer. I'll add a little chicken stock so it doesn't dry out, so it simmers nicely. And then we're gonna blend it and then add a little more chicken soup.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Check it out.
All right, so the soup is blended. Put it back on the stove, and we can simmer that, and we'll get it to the right consistency. We're just gonna finish it with a little bit of heavy cream or whipping cream.
Oh, that looks good.
Adds a little bit of richness to it. All right,
that looks good.
That is perfect.
Let's have some soup. Come on in.
You guys hungry?
Yeah. Ooh, it's hot. Are you gonna go sit down? Okay, all right. We'll see you. That looks hot.
There you go, honey.
Blow on it.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. It's pretty good.
That's all I need. That's it. That's
you know,
the only compliment I need.
All right, I need to try a little. Thank you, sir. I'm gonna throw a little extra on there. Yeah. I like basil.
Tell me what you think.
This looks good, buddy. That's tasty. Damn, that's good. I'm serious, this is so good.
Glad you like it.
I don't make tomato soup, but I will definitely make this more.
Right.
So, there you have it, tomato soup. Hey, thanks for watching. You like our videos? Well, then do me a favor and subscribe, because then we can update you on what's going on. You'll also know when we're giving away really cool stuff, which happens all the time. So make sure you subscribe, and we'll be in touch.